Hello everyone, my name is Dr. N. Kumar, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. In this lecture series, next we are going to see the two important case studies. Let us see one by one. So first one is create a Python program to manage a student's mark statement using the dictionaries. As we all know that dictionary contains the key value pairs. So here the student's name should be stored as a key and the mark should be stored as a value, and finally display the topper's name. The next case study is write a Python program using a function that sums an array of numbers and extend the function to also return the average of the numbers. So we have created an array and calculate the sum and finally display the average. So now we are going to see these two case studies one by one.
Good afternoon to all. So in this lecture series, next we are going to see the case studies. Here we are going to see the two important case studies. One is creating a Python program to manage a student's mark list using the concept of dictionaries. The second one is how to calculate the sum and average of an element. So the students of second year AADS A section will explain these two case studies one by one.
This study in second year AADS. Now I am going to explain the question. The question asks us to create a Python program that manages the student's marks statement using dictionary. The programs have to store and manage all the data using dictionaries as key and their marks as value, and display the topper's name and their marks. This to process, store, process, and display the student's marks efficiently.
Hi everyone, I am Aisha, studying second year AADS B class. Now I am going to explain the concept and program. In this program, we have used the four main Python concepts. Dictionary, which stores the data in keys and values. The max function is used to store the highest, print the highest value. The column is used to print the data one by one. String is used to return the value neatly. In this program, we have created a dictionary named students, which stores the student's name and marks. The name of the key and marks are her values. In the next line, we have used the max function to print the highest value scored by the student and their marks. In the function, we have used the strings to print the function neatly. For loop is used to print the student's data in a tabular form. In this print statement, the student and marks are the tabular form's headings.
In conclusion, with this Python program, how the demonstrate how dictionary can be used to store and manage students' marks and their name as key value pairs. By using the built-in function, max function, and loop function, we can easily access and display the students' names and marks efficiently. Thank you.
I am Darshika and second year AD. In this case study, the question, the sum of, we calculate the sum of the array of numbers and we extend the program to calculate the average of the sum of.
Hello everyone, I am Anshri from second year AD department A section. I am going to explain the concept involved in this program. First concept is used to calculating modularity and reusability. Sum function. It is a built-in function in Python used to calculate the sum of even arrays. Len function is used to count the total number of elements in a list. Return function returns the sum and average of the elements. F string is used to return the this is to print the program. Let me explain the program step by step. We will find the function sum and average that takes the list of numbers. Inside the function sum of numbers to calculate the sum of the given numbers, and we extend to calculate the average of given numbers by using the formula total by length of the number, and return the total and the average. We declare the number of this 20, 30, 40 and 50 and call the number 20, 30, 40, 50 to calculate the sum and average and print the sum and average. In this case study, we created a Python program that calculates both average and sum of elements. This approach makes our program simple, efficient, and reusable, making use of functions and building functions in Python. Thank you.
Once again, hello everyone. So now I hope that everyone understands the these two concepts. So the students always using a dictionary. So dictionary listening people are the most important concept in the Python. If you want to implement any case studies or whatever you may need, so you must understand these three concepts. And also the major advantages of Python is as its own inbuilt function. Here we have calculated the sum and the average of an element using some inbuilt functions. Okay, thank you.